wanted to give you guys at least 5, but I don't have too many singles, so I'll give you 3 at least.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you
That's
so
very
much.
generous.
I really appreciate it.
Oh no, we really appreciate not having to pick this stuff up.
Yeah, I hear you on that, especially on a day like today, right?
Oh yes.
Yep. Alrighty. Take care. Have a good rest of the day.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put these down. Please, thank you. All right, we'll keep this one here.
Do you understand why that's just still on the market?
Hey, yeah, it's still on the market. I tell you when they do the math, the sales versus promotion, a few thousand depths. Trust me, they look at the profit more than they look at the casualty.
Very sad.
It should really be off the market.
I was surprised when I was at Home Depot that was still there.
It should not. If people that are buying it, apparently they're not listening to the news.
Well, those boxes are half price.
Are they?
Yep.
Cool.
Cigar boxes too.
All right.
And if you need a box, I'll get you one.
All right. Sounds good. Thank you.
I'll move that for you if you like.
Take care of this gentleman first.
All righty. Found some stuff.
And these were 50% off.
Okay.
Thank you.
And that's it. Oh, another.
Chicago Bulls hat.
Are you into Chicago?
Well, I'm just into the old vintage memorabilia
Yes,
kind of
that
stuff.
is.
Yep.
My son was a Michael Jordan fan.
Oh yeah.
All right, $3.
All righty.
Use that camera. Send some friends.
Absolutely. I'll see what I can do.
Thank you.
Take care, you guys. Have a great rest of the day.
Thank you.
Good luck.
From Cuba. 30s. Good morning.
Would you do 3 for the towels and the hat?
How's 5?
5's work. Yeah, that works.
Okay.
You got change for 10?
Sure. You need bar stuff?
I just like to collect it. I picked up like a neon sign the other day, trying to get like a little bit of a man cave going. Oh, okay, very nice. Yeah, I don't have like the full on bar yet. I got to get that when we move down south. Right now we're stuck in 757 square feet.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you, I'd do 5 on it.
I just don't have a place for it right now. That's
No
my
problem.
only thing.
And I got an ice crusher.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, nobody knows what that is.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
Have a good rest of the day. Good luck with the move.
Tell them to come on by.
For sure, will do. Take care. Anything worth looking at, you think? Not yet, thank God.
I mean, everything's like in decent shape.
Yeah, that's why I'm like, it seems a shame to throw it away,
Yeah.
especially the carpet.
Right.
The carpet looks brand new, you know?
No, my son barely used it.
Oh,
So
okay.
you know someone or resell it?
yeah,
I
yeah.
don't care what you do. This, like, barely played with. That thing. Do you like resell stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Melissa and Doug. It's
Okay.
It's a good one. this actually all goes like together.
Oh, okay.
You wanna just take it off?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Yeah. This box is better. This one's kind of broken.
Perfect. I'll just take it out of the way and
Thank
I'll
you.
sift through it.
This guy is good too. He makes noise and
I'll
stuff.
see what I can do with it.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Take care. Have a good day. Living that dream one day at a time, you know? The Rock and Rollers. You remember when that was a thing? The roller rink?
I bought it. Should've put the sleeves on.
Dude, that was so much fun to be rolling around with those guys with the big heads and stuff.
You went back in the day?
When I was really, really young, yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
Good, you mean really young? You look young.
Well,
how old are you?
25.
36. I was probably like 10.
I feel old personally. I'm 25. I feel like I'm double that.
I just gave it to her. You don't have to get up.
Oh, no way do I get stuff to do.
Wow.
That's what the mail.
Our tax bill.
One guy.
That's why not there yet, but almost.
You tried that, remember?
Yeah,
Oh, those actually are working pretty well.
yeah, yeah.
How much is this?
I was asking 200, make me an offer.
200. I think it's a little out of my price range for 200. It is cool though.
Make me an offer. The only thing wrong with it is that the little piece here that holds the battery in. But it
Gotcha.
does work. We played it the other day.
It's very cool. Yeah, I don't want to make you an offer that is so low to the point to where it's just ridiculous. You know what I mean? I just
Make me an offer.
I could give you like maybe $20 for it, but that yeah, that's
Yeah, no.
it's
I
not.
think the lowest I would go is 75.
Gotcha.
But I mean, it's got the case. It's got all the instructions for all the games, the battery chargers, all the game instructions are in the side pocket.
Okay. Cool. I'll definitely think about it.
Okay, it's here.
All right. What else do we got?
Okay.
You never know.
You have your own place, a whole set of dishes for $1.
Another sit over here if you need to.
Give yourself away. Did you come in a car or are you walking?
No, I have a Jeep. I think I'm parked either down there or down there. You just can't see it.
You want a bottle of water? I got cold water.
No, it's okay. Thank you. I appreciate that though. I got some in the car.
Okay.
It is hot today though.
But you know what they're saying? When they have them in the car and the sun comes on the water in the bottles, they're setting the cars
The
on
plastic
fire.
absorbs into it.
No, it's that too, but the sun's so bright, you know how it magnifies through the water, setting the cars on fire.
Really?
Yeah, people have them on.
I wonder if that's real or not. 'Cause I
Maybe only for the people that have like bird's nests sitting like right next to the bottle of water and it hits it directly
Some of that
and
fabric, you know, you
Because,
don't
I
know.
mean, you look at out west, how many people, I mean, they're in the hundreds all the time in different birds.
yeah.
They probably don't do that though, because the water gets hot so fast.
Well, I know they say that if you have a bottle of water in your car, you get out of it, and you get back in, and your car is hot, you should not drink it because it breaks down the polymers in the plastic.
Yeah,
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
You know.
I have like a whole like distiller kit at my house and I try to distill my own water and pour it in the glass, but it's such a pain in the neck to upkeep it, you know? So, but it's just like, what else do you do?
Right.
We gotta go back to the old days where everything comes in glass bottles.
Glass.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, they sell those.
obviously. But then it's a big market for it.
Jesse gave me one of the turbises, but it's stainless steel. Oh my God! What a difference in the taste after the one I had.
Yeah.
I mean, and it keeps it cold or hot, whichever one you want, for hours.
Yeah. I'll have to look into that.
Like your turbis, but it's stainless steel. The only thing you can't put it in the dishwasher, which is okay.
Yeah. Well, I don't even think, I'm pretty sure that I read some things that putting stuff in the dishwasher is bad for you too, because if you got stuff that's plastic in there and it gets really hot and then it jumbles all of the plastic stuff around and then...
I never put plastic into my dishwasher.
I do.
I never put, no.
What are we allowed to do that isn't going to kill us nowadays, you know?
Well, you can't have the cell phones. You can't have any of that because you're gonna
Go crazy, yeah, yeah.
We drank, and I mean, and that was pure rubber.
Yeah, that used to be...
Out of the hose.
The older people like us, we can survive. You young kids are not going to survive
No.
because you don't know how to do anything. Play on your games or anything computerized.
Yeah, no, I agree with you. There's as far
You
as
don't have any survival skills.
as far as somebody being able at my age to go out and figure out just how to do something, it's very difficult, I feel
Cook
like.
something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
or-
I love
or-
to cook.
Or you have to go on your phone and say, how do I cook a hot dog?
Well, that's easy. Tonight I might cook like
I'll tell you what, some of them don't even know how to boil water.
Oh, that's
yeah,
true.
yeah, that's tough.
My husband's
Try
one-
to get somewhere. Look at anything.
If they
Your
don't have
husband
a
cooks. Howard
microwave
doesn't
either,
cook.
Yeah,
it's easy, you know, throw that in the microwave.
right.
I have my
I don't really like doing that though either. Now I usually just take a saute pan, put a little oil or butter in it, and then I'll heat my stuff up that way. It seems safer. Well, thank you guys for letting me look. Have a great rest of your day.